You have a new device and DUT board. The CurveMaster is running and the software has started. Our first step will be to define pins using the pin assignment window. Here is a diagram of our device. It shows the device pins and channel assignments, as well as signal names. We can see that pin number 1 is connected to system channel 1A, and the name is DIR. So we just select channel 1A, double-click on DUT, and enter pin 1. Then double-click on pin name and put DIR. Let's do it again with pin 2. Select channel 2A, double-click here and put pin 2, and its name is A1, and so on. You can see that this will take some time. With a smaller 20 or 30 pin device, it's not too much trouble, especially considering that you can grab multiple pins like this and add them all at once. But if you have hundreds of pins, this would take considerable work to complete. But you can actually create the setup externally in a file like this, where you can build the list using a device definition file from your simulation software, or from an Excel spreadsheet. Simply paste the list here and import it to the CurveMaster software by using the Load Setup button. We can see all of our pins defined with the DUT pin number and name, and we didn't have to do it manually. When you click Pins, you can see all pins defined by importing the setup. To create this file with all of your pins, you can simply define one pin in the software and save your settings. When you open the file, all of this header information will already be there. Then the section for the pins can be inserted in some automatic way. Or you could keep a dummy file with this header information only and use it to start your pin list each time you get a new device. This greatly reduces development time. With your pins defined, you can resize this area for pin display. If you make it smaller, sliders appear that allow you to scroll up and down and side to side. You can also change the way the buttons are displayed. They could be at the bottom, at the side, or they could be in a list mode like this, either at the bottom or the side. To do that, you simply right-click in the display area and select. This concludes practical training on the pin setup. Please proceed to the next section.